Hi, I'm Richard. I'm the robotic mower specialist here at Hayes Machinery. And today I'm going to show you how to change your time and date on a Husqvarna 430X. Here we go, we're going to set the time and date. So once you put your pin number in, if you go to menu and press it, and then with the arrows, move across and go down to the small cog, which is at the bottom on the right hand side. So move along and then down. Then you press OK, and then with the arrows again, move all the way down to the bottom, which goes to General, and then press OK again, and then you'll come up with the time and date, press OK, and then set time and date, press OK again, and then put in the time with the keypad, which is 11:16, and then there's your time set, and then you press your back button, and then you go down to your set date with the arrows, press OK again, and then to set the date, type in again with your keypad, 16th of the 2nd, 2021, and there's your date set for you. And then press your back button all the way until it comes to the menu where it says press start to continue. And there we have it, your time and date is set. So there we go. So hopefully you know how to change your time and date on your Husqvarna robotic mower. If you need any more help or any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us or check out our website for any more details. If you wish to purchase a robotic mower, we have the full range of the Husqvarna, from the 105 right up through to the four-wheel drive 435X. And also we've got parts, blades, accessories, housings. You can also get skins for them now, the ladybirds and camouflage and things like that. And if you want a robotic mower installed, give us a call. We can give free site visits. Yeah, so any questions, also get in contact with us and we're happy to help. We offer lots more how-to videos on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.